what I have here is ABN. ABN. It's from Auto Body Now. It's a kit from Auto Body. Spark plug thread repair kit. You know, for the cars, you got them deep wells inside. What I'm working on now is a 2007 Grand Marquis. I had a spark plug blown out down up in there. So what I got is all of this off Amazon. This came off Amazon. I think it's like $78, but by me getting the overnight shipping, it came like about $94, something like that, which is not bad, you know. Like came with these parts, they got all the parts, you know, that's how it came, you know. You got your tool right here. That right there. I got a 14 millimeter, and it gets deep into the well. You see, it opens up. You get wider. As you go in, it get wider. And to make that fresh thread for you. Then you want to go off the spark plug that you use. You know, you want to go off the spark plug that you use, so you want to make sure that you get one of the deep threads for your spark plug. See, this is the spark plug that had blown out. This is the spark plug blown out. So you want to make sure you get a thread that meets with that. So when it screws down in there and inside, it all meets up. What you don't want to do is, you don't want to do this. If you got a long spark plug, like the one that goes in there, then you definitely don't want to use a short one. You know, this one right here is for short thread. So that right there, that's too much. You have half of the spark plug still sticking out. So yeah, you definitely don't want to use a short one when you're dealing with the deep well inside the motor right there where the spark plug goes. The spark plug's so deep down in there that you will have to get one of these. You have to get this. Then what that do is it taps into this. Let's put that in there like that, and it locks in. And locks in like that. Then you want to get your other piece and put it on the end right there, which is this. If you don't have a ratchet or something like this, this is perfect. What you don't want to do is you do not want to use a drill. You don't want to use a drill on it. Don't use an impact. You don't want to do that because you want to feel the turn and the twist as you apply thread. So you want to feel that. You know, if you go with an impact, anything like that, you won't know how much, you know, you putting down force, you putting down in there, torque, putting it whatever. You know, you don't want to do that. So you always want to do it by hand. You want to do it by hand. And that taps into that like that. So what I done did is I done screwed that down in there until I can't screw it no more. So I'm screwing it out now. This is the second time I'm screwing it. I'm gonna do it one more time to be on the safe side, you know. Then the lube that I use, people was using like this red lubrication and stuff like that. But I'm gonna show you what I was using. I ain't gonna kid you not. I was using this. And it was pulling all the shavings out. It's pulling all the shavings out. I ain't had no problem with it at all. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna show you the shavings. See? There go the shavings right there. Them all the shavings. I pulled all them shavings out of there. Then I use this right here, my magnet. It reach down there and get the rest of the stuff that was in there out, which it worked perfect. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this piece right here. Since I got that, I got it threaded. I'm gonna use this deep piece right here and put this onto the end of this. See, I got it flush. See that? I go lower, get it all the way up in there. There we go. There, I bottomed out. Flush with it. bottomed out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and down a bit. Take this and I'm gonna stick it down in there. Then you wanna line it up so it can screw down in there. When you feel it getting tight, you take this off, but you're gonna need that. I'm gonna use this. Got a long extension on it. When I do, I put it in there like that, and it's tightened down. Okay, got that all, got it down in there now. I done put that part in there. So what I'm gonna do is now, I'm gonna screw it down, all the way down like that till I can't see it no more. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put it inside there, like that. And give it a little tap. I'm gonna give it a little tap with the hammer. Not that much, just a little tap. We don't need that much. We don't need a lot of tap on, just a little bit. As you can see that I got the new threader down in there. He's down there nice. Yeah, got him in there. So what I'm gonna do next is put the spark plug in there. Got my spark plug down there now, so what I'm doing is put the top piece on. And I'll put everything else back together, then we'll fire it up and see how it goes from there. Let's go. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna give it a start. I had a blown spark plug. It was in the front, right, second spark plug from the front. Second spark plug from the front on the right hand side. It was blown out. So what makes that sound, whenever you hear a sound like your vehicle sound like a steam engine, making that noise, you got a blown spark plug. You got a blown spark plug. I don't care what you're talking about. You got a blown spark plug. Unless it's something with your something else with your fuel or something like that. But as far as that, I had a sound like a steam engine. So what I did is I had one about this kit. I bought this kit right here. This kit right here is called an ABN Auto Body Now Spark Plug Thread Spark Plug Kit Repair Kit. And it got everything you need in here. If you got a deep well, like I got on this Grand Marquis, the 2007 Grand Marquis, I got a deep well, so I needed this right here. And it did the job and all that. You know, it's perfect. It's a perfect kit. You know, and I recommend this to anybody that needs a deep well thread kit. Go pick this up off of Amazon. I got mine off Amazon. It was $74 and some change. But I wanted mine overnight shipping it, so that was like $9, like 99, like $10 more. So it was sweet because it came overnight. I still was asleep when I woke up like 7 o'clock in the morning. It was at my door when I looked at my camera. And so by the time they came, it was like about 5 o'clock, which was awesome. You know what I'm saying? If you ever want to get anything for your vehicles, anything like that, I recommend go to Amazon. Amazon got everything that you need. If these people out here ain't got what you need, go to Amazon. Amazon got it, and they got it cheaper. You know what I'm saying? The same stuff the other people's got, they're spending more and they costing more, but this right here, get the job done. You know, you don't need all that unless, you know, you're doing a small project. Like, this is my first time doing this, you know. Somebody told me that what the problem was, so I started doing my research. Went on my YouTube, which is awesome. YouTube is very helpful when it comes down to doing stuff like this. So big up to YouTube and the people that